They took it to 10.
Hello everyone, my name is Julia and welcome to Nitro channel. If you are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. As you can see, I'm wearing red now. Holidays are coming, so I want to get in festive mood and share it with you. So today we're going to do like Christmassy holiday makeup look. Maybe you can see I already have like tone on my face, concealer and brows. I decided to save a little bit of time. My routine is still the same, so you can check my previous videos where I do like full face, skin and brows. So today we're about to focus more on eyes. 25th of December is Christmas for Catholics. Russians mostly, they are Orthodox, so usually we have Christmas on 7th of January. I'm not super religious person, but I think it's good to believe in miracles. So yeah, and I think it's if you like to celebrate, you can celebrate like every holiday, every day, whatever you want. And if you want to celebrate 2 times Christmas on 25th and 7th, why not? So as you can see, I have red t-shirt, and yeah, and I think it's fine. It's Christmas color, but some people saying that this is the year of bull, and bull doesn't like the red color. It annoys him. But first of all, we are doing this for Christmas, and maybe it would make sense if I would wear this for Chinese New Year, because bull is like in Chinese symbolic, in Chinese horoscope. And the first thing, I saw some articles, they saying that bulls, they can't really see the difference between some colors. They're more focused on shadows. So, and the one color they see the most is white. So it's not about the red color, it's more about the person who annoys the bull. So let's get started into makeup. First of all, I will apply the tape because I already have some concealer on my eyes. Let me come a little bit closer to you. So I'm using this type of tape. Honestly, this one is a medical tape, so it was laying for a while in my drawer, so it's not super sticky, but I hope it will work. Because the other tape I bought recently, I showed you in the previous video, I don't really like it. So I hope this one will work. Sorry, my camera just stopped recording because I didn't have enough memory on my flash memory card. I needed to delete some videos. I'm about to use my Morphe palette. This is 35B. Yeah. And the first color is this light beige color. Putting in my crease, or above, actually above the crease, with a blending brush. For next color, I'm gonna use Huda Beauty. Yeah, you know this palette, Desert Dusk palette, in the color, this brown color called Musk. And same blending brush. Now we're about to intensify, and we're gonna add this brown color called Ode. It's pretty pigmented. So I'll put it in a corner. Now we take a concealer and a brush and about to do a cut crease. I'm using Estrade concealer in color 22. Honestly, I haven't done a cut crease in a while. Kinda scared. I'm trying to see the line, the upper line. But it doesn't want to work with my lids. But something like here. I'm not even breathing. So yeah, blend in here. Now I'm taking flat brush in this golden shade. Now I'm taking blending brush again and about to blend the edges with this brown color. I'm taking my black pencil, this from Art-Visage in real smoky color 704, and I'm gonna do the line like a wing. I need to sharpen up. So our wing's done and I want to blend it and make a blended wing. So now I want to put some glitter, gold one. I got these like small ones and these are bigger ones. So first of all I will apply the little ones with NYX Glitter Primer, cotton stick. Now I'm not sure if I want to apply big glitter because it's pretty glittery already, but okay, let's add a little bit. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. Oof, I can feel how heavy my eyes now. So now let's take the eyeliner and shut the line. I'm using Vivienne Sabo. Honestly, recently I started being allergic to this one, but what can I do? I'm allergic to a lot of products. Okay, we got pretty long wings, kind of Eastern eyes. Let's take off the tape. I have glitter fallout, so it wasn't super good idea to do tone before. Let's put some mascara, and first of all I'm using primer from Estrade, Wonder Base. As a mascara I'm using Cabaret Vivienne Sabo Premier. Oops. let's apply some lashes. I'm using my lashes from China, no name, tweezers, and a glue. Also from China, so I don't think it matters. It's pretty same as Duo. Very sticky. Okay, while waiting on our lashes, I'm gonna put some bronzer on my cheeks. Using L.A. Pro.Face, this broken baby old one. And also let's do blush now. I'm using Revlon matte in color 003, Perfectly Peach. A little bit because it's cold outside, you know, so a little bit frozen face with blush. Let's do lashes. Okay, let's do under eyes. What should we do? I think just browns, like lighter and darker browns and blend. So yeah, the same light brown, medium brown, and the darker one. Now I'm debating with myself if I should do black waterline or if I should leave it like that. Comment down below, how do you think? Okay, I decided to add black. And also under eye. And let's blend. I will put some mascara on my bottom lashes, also first primer and the same mascara. I don't know why, but I remind myself now, check it all. My favorite sample highlighter. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. In Russia we would call Anastasia. Somebody say Anastasia. I will use the gold one, butterscotch. I'm taking my flat brush and the marshmallow color. We mix a little bit with gold and put this under the brow and the tear dots. We are almost done and it's time for lips. Honestly, I wanted to make them festive red color, but no. I'm not sure, but it can be too much. It's Christmas time, right? Okay, as pencil I'm gonna use this Miss Rose. It got two sides, one with the lipstick and one with the pencil. I will use the other side. Looking so neon here. I'm not really digging it. The battery is dying. Can we finish the lips at least? So I'm gonna put this Vivid Matte Liquid by Maybelline on top. This is also that bright color. my favorite. So I will change my battery, do my hair, and see you in a little bit. Welcome back, everyone. As you can see, I changed. Pretty bright color, red dress, like very Christmassy. I was about to put some very cute and kind of sexy red top, but I couldn't find it, so I decided to put a short red dress. Honestly, this is my second time wearing it. First time I wore it, I bought it I think in Greece, in Athens, and I think the reason is because it's too short and we have no place to go now for sure. Yeah, so this is the final look. That festive, glittery, bright lips. I was really struggling with buns. I think I was redoing them maybe like 50 times. First of all, I make them big, after like smaller. Yeah, so I ended up with this. I was like, I'm not gonna do it anymore. So it's kind of sleek, but I like it. I like this look. So comment down below, how do you like it? What you gonna wear for Christmas, New Year's, holidays, and what you gonna do also. I got some accessory, but I think it's kind of tacky. Yeah, but some festive spirit. So I want to say Merry Christmas, everybody, and Happy New Year's. We are all blessed, and I hope next year we'll have more and more blessings. Everybody will be healthy and wealthy, as the more matters. I wish everybody love, happiness, luck, stability, all the best things, the things you wish for. I want to travel so bad, so in my Instagram post I said, oh, maybe Santa can give me his dues and sledge, at least for a little bit, you know, while pandemic is still here. So yeah, one of my biggest wishes to meet Corona to end. And maybe if we all will wish this for Christmas, it will happen and Santa will bless us. So yeah, I should stop rambling. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Put big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye bye, much love and peace to you.